alright, you look sketchy as fuck, you. You've got an angry face. You've got a hat on as well, you're just looking up at me like... I had to pause a minute because I didn't know if you were like blind or something, you know what I mean? Because that has happened before. A few months ago, there's a guy like that. I thought, why the fuck are you looking at me like that? And I just looked down and he had his fucking blind cane, and I was like, for fuck's sake. Sorry, mate, what's your name? Kirk. You're right, Kirk. What do you do, Kirk?
I'm a cook.
You're a cook. Kirk the cook. What's your cuisine?
I work at Tesco's at the moment.
You work at Tesco. Are you the cunt who does the chickens? Mate, you do the chickens, Kirk. Shut the fuck up, Kirk. Why are you fuming, Kirk? You work in the cafe? Oh, in Tesco Cafe? All right, mate, fucking hell. Why are you getting so precious? Is that like it's a fucking Michelin star restaurant? The chickens is harder to cook than them brekkies. You ate it there, you don't you? You wanted to be in the Tesco Cafe? Yeah. That was your dream when you were little? It's more sociable hours. I don't want your fucking life story, Kate, please. Can't have a little chat with you. Fucking hell, you're like, fucking just not, like, just not where I thought I would end up, but it's fucking good. But you know what? I've got kids in that poor fuck's sake. Did you work in Tesco as well? Fucking, that was a big no, that was. That was a heavy no, that Kirk is fucking nearly got whiplash there. He's going, How's you know each other then? Best mate?
No, we used to work together.
You used to work together? As chefs. Where were you both chefs, mate?
It was a restaurant called the Village Green.
The Village Green. Have you been in the Village Green? Kingswood Massive. Kingswood Massive. Fucking throwing up gang signs, yeah. Is that why you left? Get out the game and that? Trying to go straight? Just got a job in Tesco Cafe, only people look at you there. He's trying to drag you back into the game. Jeff, you single? What the fuck's that? Well, you know, fucking don't make chickens, and you know, I like to keep my options open working in Tesco Cafe. I've got a lot of sociable hours now. To do dating, do you know what I mean? So I'm just smashing Tinder. Everyone on Hull knows me, swipe. You call me Swipe Right Kirk.